First off, go to the App Store and search SonoiQ or uKey to find the P50 software. Before downloading, you can see the sample photos and images, a description, and some reviews of the SonoiQ app. Press install and open the app. Click the Wi-Fi icon on the top left, go to Wi-Fi settings, and select the SSID number of your probe. The password is 12345678. Once connected, be sure to disable auto join. Return to the SonoiQ app. The app is now ready for examinations. You may also change to other modes like color mode, power mode, and pulse wave Doppler mode. The top left icon displays some important info. For example, here you can see the probe info. You can also press nerve to change the different exam settings, the guidelines, and other parameters. After you finish examinations, go to the Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi to disconnect the device.